Hello everyone, this is the hot selling 3-in-1 plastic water bottle, and today I will introduce this bottle details. And this is the biggest one, 2 liter, and the middle one, and the smallest one, and this is the straw for this middle one, and this is straw for the biggest one. These 3 water bottles can package together, and you can save the shipping fee. And we have different colors. And if your quantity is enough, you can also customize color and the pen marker or the motivation words. And we also have other different colors. We have these 4 colors, and you can choose at any quantity. And if you want to customize your own colors, you can tell us your detail pattern number and the logo document. Okay, let's see the lid. This is our lock button, and when it on the upside it locked, you cannot open the lid. And when the button is on the downside, you can open the lid. This is the suction nozzle, the straw. You can choose different drinking methods. The middle capacity, it have a different lock, and you can open the lid. This is the silicone suction nozzle, and you can drinking very easily. This is the smallest, and this is a direct drinking small mouth, and they have a rope. Okay.